This tutorial shows you how to enable and manage location permissions on your Android device. First, open the Settings application on your Android device. Next, scroll down and tap on Connections or Network and Internet. Following that, look for Location in the list. Now, tap on Location to access location settings. You'll see the main location toggle at the top. Moving forward, tap on the toggle to turn on location services. The toggle will turn blue, indicating location is now enabled. Afterwards, you'll see different location modes below. Tap on Location Mode to choose how your device determines your location. You'll see options like high accuracy, battery saving, or sensors only. Select high accuracy for the most precise location tracking. This uses GPS, Wi-Fi, and mobile network together. Additionally, you can manage which apps have access to your location. Tap on App Permissions below the location mode. You'll see a list of apps that have requested location access. Tap on any app to change its location permission. You can set it to Allow all the time, only while using the app, or Deny. Adjust each app based on your preference and privacy needs. Your location services are now fully enabled and configured on your Android device. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you turn on location services on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.